got a little, it's got I have just decided that I can't do intros, like I really struggle. Welcome back, it's Meg, and today we are doing an infill for one of my regular clients, Caitlin. If you want to find out how to recreate this look, please stay tuned and carry on watching. We're going to get started now because she's just turned up. Use matte top coat for the base. Nala's made an appearance. Nala! Oh my god. I don't know why that scared me then, her tail touching me. Nala! She's like, oh. Why has no one fed me yet? Let's hope I can pull this off. You been a needy girl, Nala? We're gonna use Snow White for the tips. I'll go in with a 0.2 zoom. Right, it's quite low. I can't do too much of a tip. They're gonna be thinner.
I don't mind how the tip is.
I don't mind, no, not too fast.
If you want to do it normal, yeah.
Only because I don't want them to look short. So I am going quite deep on the sides, but I'm not going to make the tip of the white tip too thick. Let's put a light layer of white down. I might go quiet.
No.
You know me.
No.
I just can't breathe with French, unfortunately. So we're going to just copy this now on all of the nails. Your little finger then. Did you feel that?
No.
Just had a right little spasm.
No.
Your Frenchies are so satisfying.
Really?
Yeah. Like, it's killing me. This is how I want my nails to look. But to do it on myself is really hard. Yeah. I'm getting bitten. I'm not cut out for this heat.
No.
I am abroad, but not here.
I had a pool in my body.
Yeah, I keep saying to Ryan, like, oh, we should make a plunge pool. A lot of people do that in the UK now, you know. Just making sure that all the tips are even. And on nicely. Again, I just also feel like I'm chatting out. Oh, God. I knew I was going to do that. I took it too far. I'm just chatting absolute nonsense in this heat. I am glad it's Friday tomorrow though.
Me too.
You're becoming quite the regular on my videos now, aren't you, with your little designs? She said, coming in just French to start with. This is so cute. Even just the French, it's like
So nice.
I love it. Most satisfying thing ever. Perfect. And then what we'll do is we'll repeat that on the other hand and then start the design. Smashed her iPad yesterday. She kicked it and the screen has literally come out of its socket and smashed to pieces. Royal blood. This is such a nice blue. So pretty.
I think I've had that before.
You have, yeah. And you do always like this one. a little dot in the centre, and then I'm just going to lay out my dots. Once I've done this one, I will not need your phone until I go on to the next hand, because it's...
It doesn't have to be that.
Yeah, but it kind of does. Why did that do that? Like merged into one. I saw it happen and I was hoping it was gonna spread out, but it didn't. And then I'm just gonna use a tiny little wee dot of it. Use a small dotting tool for this. Just a couple of little lines in the centre, and then a little dot there and there. Wow, so cute. Yep, I love it. Went into the range earlier and they've already got autumn stuff.
Nice stuff. I went into TK Maxx the other day and they had all the Halloween stuff out.
Yeah, that's it, all the Halloween stuff. I thought that's a bit of a joke. Like,
So depressing.
are they having us on? Like, fair enough, I get it towards like the end of August. But like August, like, why now? Okay, so that's what we've got so far.
So cute.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Me too. So I'm going to use Sherbet Lemon for the lemon. Pardon the pun. I feel so itchy and so overwhelmed. Your face. Yeah, my face, my ears, my... I just don't like it. Don't like it at all. So this one we're going to do the half lemon. Now we're going to do a little baby lemon on this one and this one. Okay, Nanny. She's got so many different names. So funny. They've become so like well known and famous in the salon. They're basically like salon cats
I
now.
never saw them before last time.
No, you didn't, did you?
No, never.
Oh my god, she keeps scaring me. The tail. And then a little one. Can I see your other hand quickly? Because I just find it easier to know where I've put. Let me just put a dot of yellow where I'm. Cool, that one can go in. Oh my god, my face. I'm so itchy. This is not the night for it. I'm going to draw a line just off the edge so that you've still got a bit of yellow. And then I nearly said lello. A bit of lello. And then drag it down to a really thin line. In the centre.
So
do you like that?
Cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sick. Then we'll put her in. Okay. Oh my god, so cute. Enough. Okay, now she goes in. So for the leaves, I'm going to use Feijoa. Feijoa.
Yeah. Couldn't tell you.
I don't know how to say that. Right, stay dead still for me if you can. Top coat, freaking cute. I want them. And the flawless base is perfect. I think you need that pink behind these colours to hold. Okay. Pink pineapple. It's very nice.
Was it scented?
Yeah, they all are, but
No.
yeah, but the one I've been using is not as strong as this one.
I was going to say, I haven't really smelled the other ones.
Yeah, you'll smell this one. Yeah. Right, don't rub the oil in, you know what I mean? Just have a little sniff. It smells really good.
That is good.
It's like very summery, isn't it?
No, they're so...
Aren't they? I understand.
I'm glad we did the blue.
Yeah. So nice. I love. Okay, we're done. I am so obsessed with how they came out. I actually, I want them. I want them. I'm quite jealous. Like, if you're a nail tech, do you get that as well? Do you get really bad nail envy over what your clients pick? And then I just sit here like, I'm not going to do that on myself, but I wish I could. Well, if you want to purchase any of the products that I used to create this set, you will find them down in the description box down below. So make sure to click on the link and that will send you right to the website where you can purchase these products. Basically, that's it for today. Make sure to click subscribe and the bell notification because that will also notify you when we post any new videos. And yeah, any questions, please leave them down below. As for that is me done. I am going to go and have my dinner now. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.